Hi guys. So today I have puppies. Hi, say hi. Welcome to S for Stephanie. Today I'm gonna go outside, and my puppies are in the way. You can't come in, Elsa. You can't come in. Understand me? So look at them. Puppies. I need control. Okay, my puppies are following me, and also not. Okay, so for today's channel, I am gonna feed my puppies treats. This is my dogs, and this is my puppies treats. So these are for my puppies, and this one is for my dog. So for today, I'm giving them treats. Two of them, because they're in the porch. Now also, I'm going to feed also one too. So let me open this thing and go for some treats. Ooh, big treats. Nice, Elsa. Sit. My puppies won't understand me. Okay. Who wants a treat? Whee! No. Bad girl. No, marshmallow. You go. No, and the other one. Want to treat? Okay. And I'm going to feed the other ones treats. Because I have 6. I already fed Elsa. I forgot to close the box. These treats I'm bringing with me. And there's different kinds of flavors, guys. Like these tiny ones, these other ones, these big ones. The puppies are getting in the trash. Okay. Okay. Oh, look! The puppies. They're cute. Want to treat, Baba? You want a treat? Treat coming. Oh, hi, other Bubby. Want a treat? Come up here. If you want a treat. Guys, I'm standing at the stairs. It's weird. Ah, the puppies!
They have 6 puppies, so give it 6 too.
Okay, do you want one, Baba? Here you go, Baba. Here you go, Baba.
Agoy si Marshmallow.
No! She already got. No, this is my mom's one. The puppies! Come here, Baba. You want to treat, Baba? Baba! I just have to get up. It's not good to get up. I don't like to get up because there's puppies everywhere and poop and pee. Oh my gosh!
You know not how to come over here?
Okay, guys, stop. You get a treat. No, guys, stop. I got here. Okay, here. Guys, they're over there. Stop. If you would see better, go there now. Sorry, guys. Today's a rough day. Oh my gosh. Here, Bubba. No, not you. I said Bobby. Not you, guys. Guys, you are making me confused, and I don't know what you're. Okay, right there. Say stop. Here. Get this treat. Not my shoe. Oh my gosh, that hurt me. Puppies, food is coming. Wee, treat. Hey guys, I got other treat for you. Here comes. Ah, there's a treat right there. Guys. Not yet. Okay, guys. Stop, guys, that hurts me.